Have you ever wondered what the world might look like in the year 2050? Imagine cities that run themselves, doctors replaced by artificial intelligence, machines that read your thoughts, and even colonies beyond Earth. It might sound like science fiction, but these technologies are already being developed today. The future isn't a distant dream anymore, it's arriving faster than we think. And right now, on Tech Tomorrow, we are exploring the top 12 future technologies that are set to completely change our lives by 2050. Stay with me, because what you're about to hear will blow your mind. Let's begin with quantum internet. We already know about quantum computers, but by 2050, a quantum internet will become reality. Unlike today's internet, which is vulnerable to hacking and data breaches, quantum internet will be virtually unhackable. It will transmit information using the principles of quantum entanglement, meaning data can't be intercepted without being destroyed. This will completely redefine cybersecurity, global communication, and even diplomacy. Imagine a world where cybercrime is practically impossible and internet that's faster, smarter, and safer than anything we've ever known. Next, let's talk about human brain uploading. Yes, the ability to upload your consciousness into a computer. By 2050, scientists may have developed the ability to map every neuron of the human brain and transfer it into a digital format. This means a person's memories, personality, and knowledge could live forever inside a machine. For some, it could mean immortality. For others, it raises deep ethical questions. If your mind is in a computer, are you still you? Could digital humans have rights? Regardless of the moral dilemmas, this breakthrough could transform humanity's relationship with life and death. Now, let's move on to climate engineering. As global warming continues to threaten our planet, new technologies are being developed to directly manipulate the Earth's climate. By 2050, geoengineering projects could actively cool the planet, reflect sunlight back into space, or capture massive amounts of carbon from the air. Imagine giant mirrors in orbit reducing the Earth's temperature, or massive machines sucking CO2 directly from the sky. While this sounds ambitious, climate engineering might be our last line of defense to save Earth from environmental collapse. Fourth on our list is nanomedicine. Medicine will change more in the next 25 years than it has in the last 200. By 2050, nanobots, microscopic robots, will be swimming through our bloodstream. They'll repair damaged cells, destroy cancer, and even reverse aging. Instead of traditional surgeries, doctors will send in armies of nanobots to perform precise procedures from inside the body. Aging might no longer be inevitable, and diseases that kill millions today could become problems of the past. Imagine a world where people routinely live past 120 years in good health. Let's jump to another exciting technology: space colonies. By 2050, humanity might not only live on Earth. Plans are already underway for colonies on Mars, the Moon, and even space stations orbiting Earth. Companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are racing to build rockets capable of interplanetary travel. These colonies will be self-sustaining, producing their own food, water, and energy. Imagine humans farming on Mars or living in massive floating habitats in orbit. The dream of becoming a multiplanetary species could be closer than ever. Next, let's discuss artificial general intelligence, or AGI. Today's AI is narrow, it can perform specific tasks very well. But by 2050, AGI will exist, meaning machines will think, learn, and reason like humans or even beyond. AGI will design new inventions, solve global challenges, and make decisions faster than any government or organization. Some experts believe AGI could become humanity's greatest ally, while others fear it could see us as unnecessary. Will AGI work alongside us, or will it replace us? That's a question the future will answer. Now let's explore personalized education powered by AI. By 2050, schools may no longer exist in the traditional sense. Instead, every child could have an AI tutor, designed to teach in their exact style of learning. Lessons would adapt instantly to a student's strengths and weaknesses. A child struggling in math would receive customized exercises, while another excelling in science could advance at lightning speed. Education will no longer be one-size-fits-all but deeply personalized, potentially creating the smartest generation in human history. The eighth technology on our list is flying cars and urban air mobility. Traffic jams might become a thing of the past. By 2050, skies above major cities could be filled with flying taxis, drones, and personal aerial vehicles. Companies like Joby Aviation and Lilium are already testing prototypes. Imagine commuting to work in minutes instead of hours, soaring above traffic, and landing right at your doorstep. Combined with AI traffic control systems, urban skies could become as busy and organized as today's highways. 9. We have emotional AI and robots. By 2050, robots won't just follow commands, they'll understand emotions. Imagine a companion robot that senses when you're sad, comforts you, and talks to you like a true friend. In healthcare, emotional AI robots could provide companionship to the elderly, support to patients, and even therapy. In education, they could become mentors that inspire students. These robots won't just be machines, they'll feel like part of the family. Let's move on to regenerative agriculture and lab-grown food. With billions more people on Earth by 2050, traditional farming may not be enough. Instead, vertical farms, lab-grown meat, and genetically engineered crops will dominate. These foods will be healthier, sustainable, and cruelty-free. Imagine eating a steak grown in a lab that tastes exactly like the real thing but without harming any animals. This shift could reduce greenhouse gases, save water, and make food available to everyone, everywhere. Number 11 is mind-to-mind communication. Brain-computer interfaces will evolve far beyond what we see today. By 2050, people may be able to send thoughts directly to each other without speaking. Imagine having a conversation without words, just pure thought. This could revolutionize relationships, eliminate misunderstandings, and create a new era of human connection. It could also transform how teams work, how leaders inspire, and even how nations communicate. And finally, let's talk about energy revolution. By 2050, humanity could finally move past fossil fuels entirely. Fusion power, solar satellites, and wireless energy transmission could create a world of clean, unlimited power. Imagine cities powered by the sun, homes running entirely on renewable energy, and vehicles that never need refueling. Energy poverty, one of humanity's greatest struggles, could be eliminated forever. So, these are the 12 future technologies that could completely transform our world by 2050. From curing diseases to living on Mars, from uploading our minds to speaking without words, the possibilities are endless. One thing is clear: the next 25 years will change humanity more than the last 250. The future isn't waiting, it's unfolding right before our eyes. Which of these technologies excites you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you love this journey into the future, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Tech Tomorrow for more mind-blowing explorations of technology. Together, let's embrace the future because tomorrow starts today.